ka Parents Teachers Association jang school Tome Memorial High Secondary School Jowai hani ka sngi ka lapan ko Burom ya Arngut ki Samla puli ka ni ka school ki bala le bha ka result Sslc ka embos badang shuda penbena shen da ka ba ki yo prapo persen shaneng bakan thop ya u rebonson siang shai badu arpon kulu Haka jingalang pun ko Burom ba penyai u chairman ka Parents Teachers Association u so meyo SNS sayo ladan lang na do ki long kme long kpa ki khana school bat ki we Hadin balayo ya kajingkran na kikimi kikpa kumjo na kiniki Arngut ki khana Sister Teresa Paite Principal to Memorial High Secondary School Jowai Shwaban IT ki memento ka ong kani kasngi kapan I ya kadak jing treshi tom kiniki Arngut kumjo ru kajing poi jengki shaka thong kumba kilapan kre namar habat thrang ban yo AA dan kam pan treshi tom Nagbanta kiniki Arngut ka ong baka school kasngau sarong yaki kumta ka kitbok kitruang ru bakin nang le bha shu shakmat da ka bakmi dan tiru baka ni kasngi kan long shi banta ban ai mensim ha ka jing pule ba shakmat jongki
This program is a reflection of your hard work, no? You have made a difference in the school and we are really proud of you. And also it's not just a reflection but also the commitment that you give to achieving your goals. When you want to get something, we work hard, is it not? We discipline ourselves, we leave our phones behind, we keep away our phones, we keep away all other hobbies, interests, and we make use of the time and try to achieve the goal. That is why you are.
Not just as a number, but an evidence that hard work, consistency, and support of the people around me can lead to something amazing. First of all, I want to thank you, my teachers. Your guidance, patience, and dedication made all the opposition. You didn't just teach me subjects, you taught me how to believe in myself. And also to my parents and family, thank you for being the backbone for me since the day one. Thanks for supporting me even on the toughest times. And also thank you, my classmates, for those study discussion and labs.
This lovely school. In every step I take, my dearest teachers of every class, from class nursery to class 10, who have promoted me, it's always there. They are always there for me, to support me and guide me in every problems I face. So I'm here to thank you, all my dear teachers, for guiding me every time till I achieved this goal. So therefore I stand here on behalf of all my friends to thank sister and teachers for arranging this program, which I feel